we'll guide you through how to move in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. Once you have your project open, you'll notice the 3D viewport where your object is located. To move an object in Blender, you need to use the G key, which stands for grab. Simply select the object you want to move by right-clicking on it. Then press G on your keyboard. You'll see that you can now move the object freely along the 3D space. If you want to constrain the movement to a specific axis, you can press X, Y, or Z immediately after pressing G, depending on which axis you want to move along. For example, pressing G followed by X will let you move the object along the X-axis only. This is really useful when you want precise control over your object's position. You can also type a numerical value after pressing the axis key to move the object an exact distance. Another way to move objects is by using the Move tool on the left toolbar. Click on the Move icon, which looks like a cross with arrows, and you'll see colored arrows appear on your object. These arrows correspond to the X, Y, and Z axes. You can click and drag these arrows to move your object along the specific axis. If you need to move the entire scene, you can use the middle mouse button to orbit the view, or hold Shift and the middle mouse button to pan across the scene. Remember, practice makes perfect, so spend some time getting comfortable with these controls. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.